status update on Specimen 8. By now, we're all used to our super intelligent gorillas on the colony. But the hamster, we've named him Hammond, continues to be one of our biggest surprises. Even though he's grown from the genetic modification, we have more trouble keeping track of him than any of the other animals. Somehow, he managed to get out of his cage again. It took us days to find him. I can't help but wonder what it is he's looking for when he gets out there. He's shown impressive problem-solving skills and adaptability to new situations. I, for one, can't wait to see what trouble the little guy gets up to next.
Alright, so here's Hammond. And from time to time, you're gonna see me doing other customs because it's good for me to do other things. That way I can practice my skills a lot more. Because, I mean, when I do Mario's, my skills do improve because some Mario figures can be very complicated. So I learn new techniques, but it's good to do other things as well. And in case you're wondering what base I use to make this custom, I use a G-Force action figure. I'll post a picture on the side, that way you know what I'm talking about. It's from that old movie that came out a while back. Well, it's not old, but you know what I mean. Okay, so pretty much what I did is I grabbed the figure and I chopped the head off. Yeah, it's kind of violent there, but and then I made the head sculpt out of scratch. So this entire head is made out of epoxy sculpt. The only thing I didn't do on the head sculpt was the whiskers. Well, I didn't make it out of epoxy sculpt, that's what I meant. I made those out of foam paper. And actually it was pretty difficult making that. It took me maybe 20 minutes to make the whiskers. And I also made these little orange pieces right here out of epoxy sculpt. I made the straps out of foam paper. And also the backpack. I left out a lot of detail in Hammond's backpack because it has a lot more things, but I had to keep it simple. Because I was, doing it with foam paper. I originally was gonna make all the detail with epoxy sculpt. Like I was gonna make the entire backpack out of epoxy sculpt, and I actually did it, but the figure kept tipping over, and that's not good because it could maybe break the figure or something. So I decided to do it out of foam paper. The original base had a lot of fur, so pretty much what I did is cover it up with epoxy sculpt, but I did leave some of the fur. That way it can give it more detail to the custom. But yeah, I'm really proud of this custom. And maybe in the future, this is the big maybe, I might do the mech. But I'm not sure yet. Because that mech looks like it's a lot of work. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this custom. Let me know in the comments. Now I'm going to cut to a few pictures showing you my progress. Alright, so I put my Hammond figure with the rest of my Overwatch collection. I need to organize it a little bit better. And also in the future, I might be considering selling this custom. So just follow my Instagram and I'll make a post later on if I decide to sell this custom. But yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate that. And if you like this video, please leave a like, because that will really help me a lot. And also follow me on my social media like Instagram and Facebook. Because if you follow me on Instagram, you get sneak peeks on the customs that I'm going to be working on in the future. And again guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey, it's me.